Namaste, welcome back to Sthita Prajna channel and thank you for your support on this playlist for AWS Cloud Quest Cloud Practitioner. I think we are in the quest 4 today. We have finished 3 quests so far. I hope you liked all the quests we did so far, and I suggested you guys to have this account created and practice these labs by yourself because this is a free Cloud Practitioner assignments are all free. So I recommend you guys to go ahead, register, and then do a hands-on and then get the experience of doing these assignments and then put them in your resume. Yes, because it is the experience that you did when you are doing these assignments hands-on, which technically means you are doing those assignments. So let's go ahead and do these assignments and put them in your resume saying like you did them. Okay, and that being said, let's start with our quest 4, shall we? Okay, so you know our drill. First we will do our quest, and then we will do activities, 2 kinds of activities like zapping the drones, etc. So let's click on this since it is readily available here. Which statement accurately describes cloud computing? This is a repeated question. We already know, we finished these questions yesterday. So that is that. Okay, so 2 more times, then I will get Pucky as my pet. Okay, that being said, the short way to go to our quest is click on the device. Now it shows 2 of them. So let me go and check which one is our 4th quest, which is the cloud economics. So let's go ahead and do that. You can click and hold the right mouse button to pan, not pan, rotate. All right, here we are, cloud economics, quest number 4. Hey there, thanks for coming. I want to set up my surf shop in the cloud and I need some help. No problem, how can I help? My main issue is cost. So far, I get much more web store traffic during the day than I do at night. I think I can cut the number of servers I use at night in half, from 4 to 2. Yes, that's one of the many advantages of cloud computing. You pay for what you use. Don't need something? That's fine. Just shut it down and you won't pay for it. Interesting. Before I start to think about migrating, I want to create a cost estimate. But I'm not sure how to begin. Should I mimic my local setup environment? How do I match my current hardware with what is available on AWS? When building their systems, on-premises customers often overbuy to account for growth. In the cloud, you can get these resources on demand, so you don't have to worry about paying upfront for resources that you might need later. So I can potentially use systems with fewer resources? How does that work? What if my system requires more resources than I thought? If you need more resources, you can scale your systems horizontally, which means that you can add more servers when you need them. If your current resources are too weak to run your application, you can scale vertically, which means that you can increase the computing power on 1 or more instances. Okay, that sounds promising. Can you show me how to create an estimate for my architecture so that I can save on costs? Of course. I prepare a price estimate by using the AWS pricing calculator, and I will send you a URL when it's ready. Keep in mind that different architectures can be used to achieve the same solution. So you have options and a potential to save even more in the future. But architectural improvements can be a conversation for another time. Understood. Let's get this first estimate done so that I can make some decisions. I'm looking forward to seeing what you find out. So should we accept the quest? Before accepting, let's check the rewards. As usual, 50 gems, as usual 3 customization. Here, along with plus 10 knowledge on EC2, we are also going to get plus 10 on S3. Learning objectives: create an estimate using AWS pricing calculator, calculate the cost of Amazon EC2 web servers, calculate the cost of varying Amazon EC2 usage, save and share your estimate. So I think this question is more about, as it says, cloud economics. Let's accept. Great, let's get to it. Started. Okay, so you can look at the diagram here. They have different diagrams. Let's see what the explanation they're going to give. This solution uses the AWS pricing calculator to create estimates for your AWS use cases. You can model your solutions before building them, explore the AWS service price points, and review the calculations behind your estimates. Using AWS, you can take control of costs and continuously optimize your spending so that you pay only for the resources you actually need. Using a static number of resources, as your demand fluctuates, can overburden your servers, which can result in undeserved customers. As you can see here, servers overburden unserved customers and unused capacity. Cost inefficiencies occur by spending money on unused compute capacity, as you can see here. With AWS, you can provision the services that you need on demand and you pay for only what you use. This way, your infrastructure matches your demand, which is shown here. Matching infrastructure to demand uses a concept called scaling. As demand increases, your services can scale out horizontally, which means that you increase capacity by adding more resources, such as EC2 instances, to the system. As demand decreases, your systems can scale horizontally in the other direction, which means the number of instances or other resources reserved for use will also decrease. Red means decommission. Using the AWS pricing calculator, you can generate an estimate with no commitment and explore AWS services and pricing for your architecture needs. You can use this service to help plan how you spend, find cost-saving opportunities, and make informed decisions. Okay, so here are the video concepts about pricing overview. By the way, again, I'm not going to play here, but I'm planning to create separate videos for each one of these. Let me know. Once I put it, you will know. I mean, if you subscribed and enabled that, if you clicked on the bell icon, you will know whenever I upload these videos, but I'm planning to do that. Okay, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so, and do like and comment on the videos if you want more videos very often. Otherwise, I would make each video based on the I make these videos based on the views, likes, subscriptions, and comments, because that is the only way I know people are interested in these videos, which makes me make them release every day or every other day. But if I don't see them, then I don't make a video, because obviously when nobody is watching and interested, why make it, right? So if you want more such videos, the only way you can let me know is by subscribing to this channel, liking, commenting, and hitting that notification bell. And thank you. Now let's go to plan. So we have practice labs goal, DIY, do it yourself goals. So as part of practice labs, let's see what we are doing. We will create logical pricing groups. Then we are going to create weekly, monthly, and yearly estimates for EC2 instances. And the DIY is change the EC2 instance type to T2 micro and then generate a new price estimate URL. All right, let's go to practice. For this, I don't think we need a practice lab. The reason being that estimate tool is available for everyone. Okay, so they are talking about, let's go here. Okay, they're telling us to go to this site. Okay, which is fine. I will go there. In this practice lab, you will create logical pricing groups. Okay, I already know that. So let's click on this URL. Okay, so here we are. Then I think we need to go to create estimate and let's follow what they are saying. Okay, create estimate, which we already did. AWS pricing calculator is a quick, effective way to estimate your cloud costs. Click on My Estimate. Before creating an estimate, consider creating a logical grouping of your services. Grouping your web servers, for example, can be useful logical grouping. All right. We go through My Estimate, then we click on Create Group. Adding multiple groups to an estimate can provide more insight into your data. All right. Then we will name it Web Servers, Create Group. Then we will add services to it, and we will search EC2. Then we will configure it. On each card, you can configure details about your service. You can also use the direct links to product pages. Okay, so let's go and do that before I forget these steps. So they asked us to go back, create group, and they told us to create a group called Web Servers. Create the group, then add service, search EC2, then click configure. Did they go that far? Yes. Then they wanted us to name it Web Server Estimate. Region, they want us to choose US East, Virginia, North Virginia. Okay. Different AWS regions might have different prices. If you have spiky traffic throughout the day, you should use advanced estimate. Quick estimate assumes consistent utilization. I think there is somewhere it should be advanced estimate. And scroll down, choose Linux, daily, they are talking about workloads here. Choose daily spike traffic because our customer said he has spike traffic daily. Then choose all the days, then scroll down. The cyclical nature of service usage is common. For example, usage might be heavier during business hours. Make sure that you can model those peak workloads. Okay, let's name this that. They want us to use Virginia. And Linux, fine. Not constant usage, we have spike. And or did he say weekdays? I think he said weekdays if I am not wrong. Okay, that's fine for now. Let's choose all of those. Oh, they are select all days, Sunday through Saturday. Oh, they select all. Okay, good. Then baseline, we are going to have 2. When it is peak, increase it to 4. Duration of peak hours, 8 hours every day. Okay, because he said I think only during work hours or something. So we'll pick that. 248. The baseline usage refers to the minimum amount of servers during non-peak time. Conversely, peak usage represents the amount of servers required at peak workloads. We already seen, right? Auto scaling. During peak, we are going to add 2 more. When we don't have peak, it will only have 2 servers running. All right, let's go back and let's do 2, 4, and 8 hours and 0 minutes. Okay. Then we will go and choose our CPUs and memory, etc. So when creating estimates, users often do one-to-one mapping of their on-premise hardware to the cloud. For example, don't assume that 4 GB is necessary because that is used on-premise. One-to-one mapping of hardware specifications often prevents users from efficiently making use of all cloud benefits. It's important to right-size your instances. So we want 2 CPUs, 4 memory, any network performance, so T2 medium. Okay, so by searching on that, I think scroll down. Here we will say 2 CPUs, 4 GB memory. Then it will list all the instances that matches this criteria. Okay, so what did they select? T3 medium, T2 medium. T2 medium, which is this. For new cloud customers, we often recommend using on-demand instances. After customers have established enough usage data and are certain of their commitment, they can save future cost by using other plans. So let's pick on-demand. And then show calculations, estimated workload hours, and workload hours per month. Let's go back and create it. Let's scroll down. On demand, show calculations, estimated work hour loads, baseline, Sunday, Monday, it's constant, peak, total hours per month. Okay. Amazon instance pricing is very granular, offering per second billing for many instances. Okay, then we need to select the storage. Amazon EBS offers various storage types based on your workloads. For basic web servers, general purpose SSDs might suffice. However, for more specialized workloads involving large data transfer or high input-output operations, other storage types might be appropriate. So let's select GP3 30 and scroll down. And then snapshot frequency, weekly, one snapshot, 1 GB, then scroll down. Okay, I think I will forget if I don't do this. So they asked us GP3, I think it's 30. Oh no, this is not 30. I don't think we need that. I think the storage amount they want is 30. This is what, daily, right? 1 GB if I'm not wrong. That's what I said. I will forget it. Yeah, weekly, sorry, it's weekly. Weekly snapshot, 1 GB. Once that is done, data transfer, internet free, type 1 TB per month, 1 TB per month, and outbound, again, as you know, inbound traffic data transfer is free, whereas outbound traffic costs you money. So inbound 1 TB free, outbound 100 GB per month. Then click on show calculations. Part of AWS pricing includes data transfer rates. All data coming into AWS from the internet is free, but charges for the intra-region and outbound data might apply. If it is within the within an availability zone, no charges, but within region there might be. If you are unsure about how much data you use, tools exist that can help you measure this on your current systems. Okay, so let's go back. Data transfer. Okay, this is inbound internet, then 1 TB. Outbound internet 100 GB. Then show calculations. You can see the calculations. Okay, then review everything, review, save and add service. From time to time, AWS has lowered the prices for our services. These cost savings were automatically applied to customers. Okay, once that is done, view review, then click share. In the pop-up, agree and continue, copy the URL. Your cost estimate link persists. If you want to share your estimates with other people, send them your link. Congrats, you are done. So let's go and do that. Okay, so you can see those are our costs. Show details, you can see all that. Then click save and add service. Then view summary. So for 1 year, the cost will be $1,300. And then click on share, agree and continue, and then you can copy the link and share with anyone you want. Okay, so that's about the practice lab. It is informational. If you have not used the price calculator, now you know how to use it. Now they want us to create one by just changing the EC2 instance type to T2 micro instead of T2 medium. Then I think they are asking us price estimate URL, which we will do. Okay, so that's fine. Let's cancel this, close this. Okay, instead of editing this and changing it, what I will do is I will redo everything so that it will be practice for me as well. Okay, so let's create a group and let's call it web servers 02 because I already have one. Then I will add service and it's EC2 Virginia, cool. Configuration. Linux daily spike, Sunday, Saturday, baseline 2, 4, 8 hours, 0. And they want us to do for T2 micro on demand. This one value, no, storage amount 30 GB, snapshot weekly 1 GB, data transfer internet 1 TB, internet 100 GB, and I think that's it. Save and add service, view summary. Oh wow, why do we have more cost for this than the previous one? Did we miss something? The previous one was T2 medium, this is T2 micro. Let's edit this. Let's go and check it here. Why is it costlier than that one? This is 1 GB. As you can see, T2 medium is more memory, and we picked on demand. Storage 30, weekly 1 GB, data transfer that is 1 TB. This is 100 GB. What are we missing? Anything? Are we missing anything here, guys? Okay, let's view details. Okay, update. Is it monthly cost is 152? What about this? This is only 109. Why is this 109 and why is this more costlier than this? Okay, let me see. Show details. On demand instance monthly is 90. This is just 90. Why? Let's see. 2 CPUs, 4 memory. T2 medium. Where is it? Okay, the price is 0.0464. Okay, what if I chose T2? Let's pick any CPU, any memory. T2 micro is here, which is way less than this. You can see this, right? 0.0116. But still this is showing more cost than that. Okay, let's cancel this. Okay, so this is 40. Is this price for both included or no? But this doesn't make any sense. Let me see. This is 22, 9, 10. So it is 42 USD monthly. So what am I missing here? If 42 it is monthly times 12, I think it is combining both of these and giving me that price. Yeah, see, it is just 500. Okay, share the link, agree, copy. Now let's go back here, paste it here, validate. You did it. You changed the instance type as requested. Now return to the city. Yay! Alright, so that is our quest 4, which is cloud economics. Wow! This all seems so affordable. This is within my budget. I'm glad to hear that. Let's meet another day to see if there's room for improvement in this architecture. You have helped us considerably. Choose your reward. What do I want? Let's go with this. Let's collect it. And here we are. Hey, I have a new vehicle here. And we have also leveled up. Close this. Close this. And Again, don't forget to give feedback. That is one way to tell them whether you like it or not. So don't forget to give feedback to the YouTube video you are watching as well. Alright, with that being said, let's go ahead here. It looks like there is a pet here. Am I Superman right now? So let's go here, let's go get this. I think we already did this once. So now the questions will be on the pricing. There is no charge for inbound data. That is true. 4 more. Okay, now let's go do some drone hunting. Shall we? Okay, I don't want to do it that far. How about here? Let's go do it. You know the drill. Until we see repeated questions, we will keep doing this. Which source does AWS pricing calculator use to create estimates? Which source? I didn't watch the video, so I wouldn't know. It's not this. It's not this. It's not this. I think it is the API. Yeah, I got an EC2 card. Nice. Oh, I don't want to do orange yet. I don't want to go that far. Do we have anything right next to me? That is orange again. Okay, let's go here then. I hit bingo. Hey, you're right here. Thank you for coming to me. What is true about Amazon EC2 pricing? A stopped instance is still charged but at a lower rate. Nope. All instances are charged their hourly rate, whether they are nope. When an instance is stopped, charges for the instance stop, but any attached, yes. All attached storage asset to an instance is included, nope. Alright, again I got another EC2, nice. Wow, I just hit you. Okay, what is happening? I cannot move? Oh, I cannot move. Let's escape. Can I move? Okay, let's go. For some reason it didn't let me move. Which AWS pricing model offers lower prices on compute and machine learning across any AWS region? Lower, always go for savings plan. Okay, I got RDS read replica. Nice. I think it will fall on my head. A customer has 2 M5X large Amazon EC2 instances, each with 40 GB of storage attached. One instance is running while the other is stopped. Which statement is true? The customer will be charged for the 2 instances. No, the customer will be charged for the one running instance and for 80 GB of storage. Okay. The customer will be charged for the one running instance and 40 GB. No. Even though the other one is stopped, the storage is still there, so it will be charged as well. Okay, I got another read replica. What's going on with read replicas? Come, fall in front of me. Which AWS pricing calculator path can be used to generate an estimate for the Amazon EC2 instances with an hourly snapshot requirement? It's not express, it's not advanced. Which one is this, guys, we used for the snapshot thing? I think either it is, let's click, I think it's detailed. Okay, under this it is, no, okay, then it is quick. There is no such thing as quick. What is the other one? Advanced? Or let's search snapshot. Snapshot, it's not showing that. Then why did they give us this link? Okay, I think we have it here, so let's go and edit and say it now. Why bother with all that? So we have given snapshots under here, which is optional. I don't know what they are trying to ask here. Okay, I don't know. I'll just go with quick. And it's wrong. I think it is detailed. Windows and Linux Amazon EC2 instances have free tier eligible instance. Does Windows have it? I guess so. Yes, it does. I got an ELB card. Nice. Is that an orange? Yeah, I don't want to do an orange right now. Once we are done with the blue ones, we'll go ahead and do the orange. What's with this island? It has all these lights and etc. Which resource automates the creation, retention, and deletion of snapshots and AMIs backed by? Wow, this I know the answer, but I don't know why they are asking this here. Maybe they mentioned it in one of the videos. Never know. I think this will be the last question. Maybe they'll repeat it. What is, no, maybe not, true about Amazon S3 pricing? Charges occur per bucket? No. Charges occur per object? Sure. Charges occur per gigabyte? Charges occur per connection? No. Occur per get put? No, I think it is these two. No, I think it is the put and get. Which EC2 pricing model adjusts based on supply and demand of EC2 instances? I think this is this. Okay, I got an AMI. Nice. Okay, I don't see any here. Wow, did I kill all of them? Oh, there is one here. That's an orange one, no doubt. How about that? There is no chart. Okay, now they are repeating. I think we are done. Now let's go to an orange and let's hope it will be for something that we already have cards for. Looks like that. Is this too far? Oh no, I missed it. Also, let's open it up. Okay, sorry guys, I had to restart it because once I clicked that open that quiz, it was in a hung state, so I had to refresh, restart it. Here we go again. All right, let's do this. Let's hope at least it will give me now. Previously it was just, yeah, okay, good. Okay, looks like I don't have auto scaling, so we cannot do this. Let's see if we can get one more, and at least if we can do it. If not, I will end the video after this. Oh, that's a blue one. No, it's an orange one. Cost savings, okay. Okay, looks like we have all of them. Match the cost saving option with the service that it applies to. Savings plan, intelligent tiering is S3, we already know that. Data lifecycle manager, we know that it's EBS. So savings plan, it would be EC2 machine or the compute. Yeah, that's it. All right, okay, so I think that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's quest, which is about cloud economics, which is how do we estimate charges before moving to AWS cloud using pricing calculator. I hope you liked it. Please go ahead and create an account and start doing it, and do subscribe, like, comment the video if you have not already done so. And thank you very much, and see you in the next one. Have a nice day.